Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically send like your saved videos to your friends on TikTok. You can press the share button here, but for instance you've already favorited the video, you can just go to inbox and select an inbox or select like a message, and then as you can see there is a share post button. You're just going to select that and you are going to share post from the videos that you have favorited. So you're just going to select it and it's going to send it to your friends. I'm not going to do that today because my friends will be like, what is this video? But that is basically it. It is actually super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!